how to use Snapchat in two phones. So if you want to use Snapchat in two phones, then it's just simple way. What you need to do is open up your Snapchat application, and you can simply go for the login page, and you can log into the account by entering the username and the password. So if it says that you can't log into two phones, then you just need to log out of your previous mobile device. So open up your Snapchat on your old phone, and then go for the settings, which is on the upper right, and here you will have log out option. Tap on log out and log out of your account on your old device or on your another device. And then you need to take the second device, and you need to go for the login page and log into your Snapchat on your second device, and that will work. But if that still doesn't work, then you can simply go for the help center. Here you need to tap on I need help, and then you can choose I can't access my account, and you can go for the report or the feedback page, and then you can give a feedback to the Snapchat that you're not being able to log into the other device. Once you've reported, or once you've given the feedback, your problem will be fixed, but the first fix will work. You don't need to report that to your Snapchat, it will work. So that's it. That's how you can use your Snapchat in two phones. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.